Hey everyone, welcome to another video with DIY Geek. In this video, I'm going to unbox, review, and install this Moen Hydro Energetix shower head. This is a handheld shower head meant to be used with your main shower head, but yeah, actually it can be used as a main shower head. I'm using it for a secondary shower head. So that I can rinse around my shower area using this very long hose. So this comes with a hose that is, I believe, is 6 foot long. Let me see where. Flexible metal hose, 8 settings, 40% more force. 60-inch flexible metal hose. So that's 5 foot. Yeah, so that's enough length for me to reach everywhere. All right, so let's get it cut and start unboxing and reviewing. Okay, so we got the shower head itself. It is made of plastic. It just looks like metal, but it's made of plastic. We have the 5 foot hose. And we have a bag of stuff. Let's see what's in here. Okay. All right. So we got basically a clamp or some sort that we can clamp to our existing pipe shower head. And then the I guess this part here goes to the wall. No, I'm sorry. This is where this can rest later on. I got confused there for a little bit. This is where it attached to your shower head, but we're not actually going to use this. I'm not. If you are using this as your main shower head, then yes, you're going to be attaching this to your existing pipe, and then you're going to be attaching this to this side, and then this side to here, and then you will then hook this on like so that you can use it as a shower without holding it in your hand. I'm using it as a handheld so that I'm not going to be using this device, and I'm going to be using it where I'm attaching this directly to my diverter. I'll show you later. And this will eventually be resting on some kind of holder that I will have on my shower wall. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I just want to make a note of something real quick. This particular attachment here is made of plastic, and you don't need to use Teflon tape. It comes with these two rubber washers. Make sure you don't forget to put the rubber washers and use them in there on both sides. Okay. And another pro tip is that don't remove this plastic cover here until later. You can simply just rip it out later on and like, you know, just splitting it in half and cutting it and removing it. The reason why they're there is because you will, whoops, this thing came out. Let's make sure it's in there. Okay, you will need them so that you can actually use your pliers really tight while you're tightening it without scratching the plastic finish, the plastic chrome finish. Okay, so keep them on until you have it completely done, and then you can easily remove them by just splitting them off later on when you're done. Okay, so my shower has a diverter. I purchased this diverter on Amazon. It's I think about $20. It's kind of like solid metal. It works very well. It doesn't leak, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. If you want to buy that from Amazon using my link, I would much appreciate it. It helps support my channel and my efforts of making videos like these. So this is where I'm going to be attaching my handheld shower, And yeah, so it's a hand twist, and probably use a plier to just make sure it's completely tight. Again, you don't need any Teflon tape. It's just a simple hand tighten screw. Okay, so we got the head on the top attached, and on this side, actually I was wrong. It's easier to remove this plastic cover. I guess they put it there just to protect the finish, but it was actually almost impossible. It was just slipping everywhere to try to tighten that thing with the protective plastic on. So this one, as you can see, I just put the rubber washer in there and then just hand tighten as much as you can. And so I'm actually having very good grip here. As long as your hand is dry, just tighten it with your hand as much as possible, and that should be it, ready to go. So let's give it a test. So I'm gonna test all the different type of modes. All right, so let me switch my diverter. Okay, so this is one of the modes, and there's supposed to be 8 of them. So let's start switching it. Yeah, so it goes all the way from here. I guess this is, I don't know what mode this is. Off, I guess, but it's not really off. Okay, this is I guess full spray, weaker spray, some kind of spray, larger. It has quite a bit of a large spray pattern. Only in the middle, and a little bit more in the middle. Ooh, this one is hard, like massaging spray. And that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I guess that is 8, but how come 8 is actually off? That makes no sense. Anyhow, pretty decent. I'm just gonna use this to actually clean around my shower box, and yeah, as just an additional handheld unit. So I'm not gonna be using it for all its purposes, but you can use this as your main shower head. It feels pretty nice, actually, pretty solid, despite the fact that it's plastic. I would give it an 8 out of 10. And if you want to buy this shower head, you can look into my description, and please use my Amazon link. It gives me a little bit of commission, and I appreciate it, so that you can help me create more videos like this. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these, and support my channel. Thank you.